Setting up a user code after the master code has been programmed in, palm or fingers across to display the keypad. Enter in your master code, followed by the pound sign for programming.
Enter number. Press the pound key to continue.
To enter in a user code,
Register user code.
registering the user code is 2. Enter the pound key. As you can see, it does speak to you and tell you what to do each time. 1 is going to be to set up a user code. 3 will be to delete the user code.
Register user code. Begin code registration mode. Enter user numbers from 01 to 255. Press the pound key to
255
continue.
individual user codes that you can program. We'll set up the first one in position 1.
Enter a 4 to 12 digit PIN code. Press the pound key to continue.
We are now set up to display
Register.
numbers.
Press the
There
pound
we go.
key to continue. Press the star key to complete.
Complete. Now you walk up to it. You can use the code that you just set, followed by the star. 30 seconds. It will stay in the unlock mode, and then relock. Okay. Always remember that the star key is for opening, pound key is for programming. And that's all there is to it.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
You're welcome.
I'm trying to get